consider rescheduling your trip. Flight Shinkansen will be cancelled today, between Tokyo Station and Nagoya Station due to heavy rain and strong winds, expected along the line as typhoon number